So we're going to make this next photograph just a little bit moodier, using the same scene. You see my other assistant is just turning off the lights in the background, bring down the kitchen blind. I'm going to turn those lights off up the back there. And that's going to make the background quite a bit darker in the photograph. Now cameras don't do light and dark easily, so you can see the light on Miss Nine's face there is quite bright, but the background's considerably darker. So now I'll just pass the video camera over back to my assistant and we'll shoot this one, and the background will look significantly moodier. So just bring your face back to me. Good. Take your face towards the window just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. There you go. And eyes just looking a bit miserable. So how about you drop your chin down a little bit for me? Drop your chin, drop it. There you go. How about you put your hand on your chin? Now think about all the time you've been locked indoors, but nowhere to escape. Dad's jokes. You've been stuck here listening to Dad's bad dad jokes for 2 solid months. What's it like? Is it great? Like, do you feel special and lucky?
No.
Beautiful. Okay, so significantly darker background in those shots. Well done, Miss Nine.